Now in this question, first of all, just guess what is given. It is given that water is dripping out from a conical funnel at the rate of 2 centimeter cube per second. First of all, dV by dt is given. Then what we have to find? At the tiny hole at the vertex, when the slant height of the water is 4 centimeter, find the rate of the decrease of slant height of the water given that the vertical angle of the funnel is 120 degree. Now what else it is given? Sorry, what else we have to find? That is dH by dt. Okay, so now let's start with the question. Now let small r, small h and small l be the radius, height and slant height of the water level at time t. Okay, now let's show what we have taken. Now this is r radius, let it be from A to B, let this part be C. Okay, so and let this be D. Now from here to here, this is small l, from here to here it is small h. Okay, now r, h and l be the radius, height and slant height of the water level at time t. Now volume, the water is dripping out from a conical funnel, so volume of water is decreasing with respect to time t. Therefore dV by dt is equal to negative of 2. Okay, now volume of the cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now what we have to do? Now we have to find the value for r and of h with respect to l, because we have to find dl by dt. Okay, now let's move here. Angle DCB is equal to 120 degree. This is given to us. Okay, therefore angle ACB is equal to 60 degree. Now in triangle we are having A, B and C. AB upon BC is equal to R upon L is equal to sine 60 degree. Okay, what R is equal to? R is equal to L with root 3 by 2. Sine 60 degree is what? Root 3 by 2. Now then AC upon BC is equal to H upon L is equal to cos 60 degree, and H is equal to L with 1 upon 2. Okay, sine 60 degree root 3 by 2 and cos 60 degree is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, so now we are going to put these values in our question. Now V is equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square. R is what? L times root 3 by 2 whole square, with H is what? 1 by 2 L. Okay, so what we are having now? V is equal to 1 upon 3 pi root 3 by 2, 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into LQ. Okay, so what we are getting? V is equal to, now 3 and 3 cancels, 1 upon 8 pi L cube. So we have changed both the variables R and H with respect to L using what? Trigonometry. Okay. Otherwise there was no option for us. Now differentiating with respect to time t. Now what we are having? dv by dt is equal to 1 upon 8 pi 3L square with dl by dt. Now what we have used? Chain rule. Okay, we have gone through the chain rule. Now dv by dt is what? Negative of 2. So negative of 2 is equal to 1 upon 8 pi 3 times L square with dl by dt. Now dl by dt is equal to minus 16, 8 goes upside, minus 16 upon 3 pi L square. This is what? dl by dt. Now what we have to find? When the slant height of the water is 4 centimeter, find the rate of the decrease of the slant height. Now dl by dt, when L is equal to 4, what we are getting? Minus 16 upon 3 pi with 4. Okay, so what we are getting? Minus 1 upon 3 pi. Okay, so now finally what the answer should be? Find the rate of the decrease of the slant height of the water level. Now the rate of decrease of slant height is 1 upon 3 pi slant height, okay, centimeter oblique second, because the unit is cubic in the volume for the cubic. Rate of the decrease of slant height is 1 upon 3 pi centimeter per second when L is equal to 4 centimeter, and this is what? This is the answer.